Aloha everybody and welcome to Beach Walks with Rocks. Today is show number 412 and you can find us at beachwalks.tv. Well, yesterday I took you into the village of Ubud, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of the grounds of Kebun, Indah, which is the small bungalow where I'm staying. I stayed here 10 years ago and it's as beautiful or more so than I remember it then. So things have a quality of aging very gracefully here in Bali, and I hope you enjoy taking a tour with me. It's a beautiful place, and do check the show notes because I'll leave you a link to the inn, and I'll also leave you a link to my Flickr account for Beach Walks so you can see even more photos.